Prime Minister Holness showcases Jamaica's new creative hub, the Creative Factory. Prime Minister Andrew Holness is spotlighting a bold new step in Jamaica's push to empower its creative economy, the launch of the Creative Factory, a state-of-the-art production space located at Garmex, a government-led development zone in Kingston. In a post shared to social media, Prime Minister Holness expressed pride in the facility and its potential to reshape the landscape for Jamaican talent. It's not every day you walk into a production space and feel the pulse of Jamaica's creativity, but that's exactly what we experienced at the Creative Factory. The Creative Factory brings together music, media, digital storytelling, design, and innovation under one roof, serving as a launchpad for homegrown talent and new businesses. It is one of several initiatives aimed at making the orange economy, the cultural and creative industries, a key pillar of Jamaica's growth strategy.
Wow, this is nice. So this is a studio. So this is where you make all your social media content. And come on, don't pull up a chair. And let us start the podcast.
So this is the Creative Factory. This is one of our studios, multi-purpose. You can do any kind of sets in here. We have the furniture that we can convert.
So it doesn't automatically, logically follow that media and marketing company would require space in an industrial complex. So give us an insight into the business of marketing, the production business of marketing.
So first of all, we position ourselves as a region's leading agency, right? Our business model, as I mentioned when you were walking in, the inspiration came from your call to export creativity. And so we thought being located in a commercial complex would be ideal. So when I saw FCG advertising the space, I'm like, yeah, spot on. And then when I reached out, they told me that you actually gave the mandate that it must be cost effective for small businesses. And so of course I benefited from a discount from the FCJ, and it's been great. We exporting content, and when we go through the building, I'll share some more information with you in terms of some of the projects that we're doing.
Yeah. So media and content creation is a huge industry, and though most of the work is digital, it doesn't mean that there is not a physical space requirement for the actual product to be produced. So you actually need.
In fact, we need additional space.
Everyone that we have gone to said, we need. And the reason why you hear we want more space is that you potentially have right here an ecosystem. So the ecosystem is what could be inside here, but it's also that you're minutes away from everything that you need.
Exactly.
And so the preference for space is here. So I totally endorse the expansion. But I just want to go back to the business of media and creative production. A studio is a massive space. Both the control, sound sets, sound stages, and the sets. They are huge spaces. In other words, what we look at Garmex as a huge space. Garmex is a small studio. Right? And eventually that's where we need to go. We need a sound stage in Jamaica. So, and what is a sound stage? It's a big factory. So the Factories Corporation needs to start to look at that, to create a massive sound stage for Jamaican creatives to be able to utilize. And that would certainly enhance what we have done with the film industry locally, with the film fund.
The film industry needs a home.
Yeah.
It really needs a home.
So if we make that investment, along with what we're doing in film, we could easily be creating content. So I'm now saying to the chairman of the FCJ, find a project. And the good thing is, because it can be a profitable endeavor, you can find investors. This is not something that I think the government alone should do, because you don't want to be building it and it's not operated. So you need to have a partner who can operate it.
BM is our
This is an editing suite.
post-production suite.
So we call this a hero suite. So we are editing suite, but it's a hero suite. So the room, so a hero suite because we manage colors, so final color grading. So the thing is, we needed something that, if we need to finish stuff for Jamaica, we can do it at that level for cinema. And also,
So you have cinematic.
so this room is a
Capabilities
created to reproduce whatever you need for cinema. If we need to have for Netflix or Amazon, so we meet all those specs.
Wow, look at that rich color.
Yes, right. So yeah,
So this is all Adobe.
No, this is Da Vinci.
Da Vinci. Oh, you're using Da Vinci? No. That feels like you're in the cinema. You're in the movie theater.
If you say that, then that means it's good.
Yeah. Listen, we are very supportive of the creative industries. We see the future of it, and we understand it. We're going to support that, in addition to supporting the creatives through the film fund and these kinds of things. So we've been doing quite a bit in meaningful ways. And what I see here is a perfect example of how the support has inured new business, supported the development of new businesses that are sustainable. Because it's one thing to provide the subsidy. Subsidies should never be forever. And therefore you want businesses to be sustainable.